It is very late, but there is light in some windows. Let's find out why they aren't sleeping. Mom needs to do a lot of important stuff before going to bed. Sew up the hole in the clothes. Find a needle and a thread. Search in the drawers. Sew the patch onto the clothes. Connect all the dots in the correct order. Wash the clothes. Choose the washing mode. Set additional washing mode. Start the washing machine. Let's iron the fresh clothes. Tap the iron. Move the finger over the clothes. Help Mom in the kitchen. Turn off the light. Tap the switch. Mom only needs to cook sweets for the morning tea. Choose a recipe. Add some milk. Some sugar. Use eggs. More. Use a mixer. Add flour. Use a mixer. Tap the fridge. Put the dough in the fridge. Set timer. Tap the fridge. Put it in the oven. Ready! Put it on the plate. Turn off the light. Tap the switch. Tap the cloud to see a dream. Mom has a dream about a flower shop. Help her to make beautiful bouquets. Tap the flowers that we lack. So much fun! Wow! Yes! Nice! Good game! Tap the cloud to see a dream. Even in her dreams, Mom cooks something delicious. Help her to find all the ingredients. Look for the ingredients and tap on them. Good. Good. Continue. Continue. Good. Continue.